make my chili chocolate mousse, you will need 100 grams of a dark 70% chocolate, 50 grams of milk chocolate, 35 grams of a mild chili pepper which has been roughly chopped, 60 grams of caster sugar, 2 egg yolks, 200 ml of double cream, 1 mango which is optional, and 50 grams of butter. The first step in the recipe is to melt the butter in a frying pan on a low heat. Once the butter has melted, you can add your chillies in, and we're going to leave these in the pan for half an hour to allow to infuse. Whilst your chillies are infusing, you can now break your chocolate up into small pieces and put into a bowl. Once the chillies have infused in the butter for half an hour, you can now strain the butter directly into the chocolate. The next step is to use a bain-marie to melt the chocolate. You just want simmering water on a low heat, and we're going to be melting the chocolate for around 5 to 10 minutes until all the chocolate has melted. Once the chocolate has melted, you want to take it off the heat and let it cool to room temperature. So the next step is to add the 2 egg yolks into a large bowl along with the sugar and 2 tablespoons of water. You're going to heat this up over a bain-marie of simmering water, and you're going to use an electric whisk and whisk for around 5 to 10 minutes until you get soft peaks. I actually ended up switching to a smaller Pyrex bowl as it was easier to whisk. Now you're going to need to get your double cream, put it into a large bowl. We are going to be using a hand whisk as opposed to an electric whisk, as you do have more control on how far your cream's going to be whipped. Once your cream is whipped and the other 2 mixes have come down to room temperature, you're going to want to fold the chocolate mix into the egg mix, and you're going to be using the figure of 8 technique to ensure they are all incorporated together. And then once the chocolate and egg mix have been folded in together, you're going to be folding that in with the double cream, again using the figure of 8 technique to ensure it's all fully incorporated. Once it's all fully incorporated, you're now ready to serve it into the serving dishes. You should be able to make between 3 and 4 dishes out of this, and then once that's done, you need to rest them in the fridge for at least 2 hours to set. Once the chili chocolate mousses have set in the fridge, you can take them out and they are ready to serve. You can serve them with a nice slice of mango, or as I've done, I've used a candied chili slice to serve with mine. And there you have it, my spicy chili chocolate mousse, perfect for any chili lovers and perfect for any chocolate lovers. And of course you can make this more or less spicy by adding or taking away chilies. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you like this kind of content, hit that red subscribe button and turn bell notifications on.